Hi everyone, so today I have Spellbinders small die of the month or die of the month for December of 2025, and I already did a whole unboxing of the deluxe caboodle, so today I'm just going to focus on this little guy. Super cute. We already walked through everything, talked about that, so I'll link that video in the description box because you know, we're just going to get right to it in this video. So it is better together and it's very cute. You have your little owls and your little otters, and so today I'm going to make the card you saw already in the thumbnail there. Probably more just otter, real cute. Actually, now that I think about it, in a couple weeks we'll be in Monterey and I'll be going to the Monterey Bay Aquarium. We used to live out there for a time, and so we always had passes, and if I can maintain that, I do. And so we'll be heading out there in the RV, so that'll be a lot of fun. So see some otters in real life. Actually, I saw some out in the bay too. Well, when we live there, obviously you see them all the time, but the last time we visited last December, they were out there, and it's really sweet. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. So I'm going to make it very, not springy, but just more of like focusing on the otters with like watery looking background. And I will say that Spellbinders did send this item free of charge from review, and of course all opinions are my own. So the links I'll have down in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. And if you signed up now in December, this is what you'll be receiving. There's a blackout period at the end of the month, and so if you sign up now, this is what you'll get. You can cancel at any time, of course. So let's just get right to it. So I already cut a card base down. So if you are making your own, this one happens to be just your basic 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. I mean, we can design it so it's landscape or portrait. I wasn't really thinking about that. I was going to put them more like this. And I already cut down a piece of cardstock, this pretty kind of teal colored cardstock, to 4 3/8 by 5 3/8. That's the kind of matte layer that I like. And I'm going to run that through this embossing folder. This happens to be the embossing folder from April of 2024 is what it says on here. And I just like the look of it. Obviously, I have other ones that are more like bubbles and cute things. Whatever it is, just to make it look like water. I thought these look kind of like waves a little bit. Just something different. So I'm going to run this through and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm just going to put this pretty thing right down on here. So we have both sides. I mean, they look so pretty. And this is your deboss. It looks amazing. Your emboss side looks amazing. Either way, I'm going to put some glue on that and glue that down. Okay, so I grabbed myself a few little different shades of brown. I'm going to put these things to the side because I don't need those right now. So little otters have things to say, no otter like you. So they have, a little sentiment on them if you want to run it through that. I think I'm going to do something different. So, okay, so we have this accent piece. And if you really look at otters, they have kind of like a lighter colored face. But I guess it depends on what kind of otter you're looking at. So I grabbed all these different brown pieces, little scraps here. I think for the face, I'll do this. And I want 2 of them. So I'm going to run that through twice. And then we have his little body. And, the only things that are going to be showing here are like the little ears and like these little feet. So I think I'm going to run that through a darker color. So maybe this darkest brown. If I have enough for 2, yeah, so 2 of those. 2 of the face through this kind of craft color cardstock. This little body through this, so we need 2 of those, and actually you have 2 of them, so which is very nice. And then you have the tails also, and I think the tails will also run through the darker color. And then the little arms are kind of sticking out the back, and so I am making this lighter. I mean, it could be the same color as this. I feel like I'll just run it through this darker color too. So if I have enough, yeah, I do. Perfect. Put that wherever I can. 2 of those, okay? And I'm not gonna use the heart today, so I'll be back. Okay, I have my pieces here. And so I'll take this piece, pop this down. I was gonna put glue a little bit better, but anyway, I just kind of put that down the center. I'll do the same thing for the second one. The little arms, so again, that's why I did the 3 different colors, because I knew only bits of this are going to be showing. And then we're going to cover his little face. Now you can run that same face dye through some black paper, or like I use the darker brown. Let's see how that looks. How cute is that? And then we're going to have the little tail. Now the little tail is the same color. I mean, maybe you want to go with a different color, to make it more noticeable. But these guys, let's see how it looks with that dark brown. I feel like maybe we have that. I mean, how cute is that? Honestly, that looks pretty cute if you want to stay with the brown. If you want to line that with some black paper, you can either run it through again, right, and pop those in, or just take a little scrap of black paper and let's see how that looks. Maybe about a little bit smaller. Pop that back there. Oh, that looks good. Okay, so I'll do that. But again, with that dark brown, looked pretty good too. And I eyeballed that pretty good. There we go. Okay. You can pop this up on dimensionals for his little face to just have a little more, a little height. It actually goes over the top of this, so that gives it a little bit height anyway, or like a little bit of difference, right? It looks like he's got a little shadow behind there. And then, like I said, the little tails. Ah, of course. To clean that up now. But anyway, you have a little area you can kind of see. You put the tail wherever you like, you know. Or, I mean, it can go straight down here too. How about that? I guess it's more like a dog if it were off to the side, right? It depends on how big their little tail is, but let's do that. Okay. I'm going to do the second one exactly the same. Okay, guys, I have my card base. I have our little guys. They are so cute, and I'm going to put them just in here like floating. And, I mean, it could just be cute like that, but I have this stamp set. Has a bunch of different sentiments on it, and I think I'll just do this hello and then just cut it out. So I'm just going to stamp that on some white paper and just cut around it. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I was like, let me grab some paper. I'm like, oh, that's nice. And look at this one. It's perfect. I just stamp it right in here and just snip off there. There's a little piece. Okay, so I just stamped that quick little hello on here. And maybe I should have stamped it a little further over this way because I was thinking we can make this into like a little dovetail. So maybe I'll do it this way then. And I'm just going to use my eyeballs for that. And the reason I went so far out is because I'm just going to go down here in the center-ish. And then dovetail up and up. And that's very cute. So I think I'm going to put some dimensionals behind these guys, low profile, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we have these little cuties. Let me see. The little tails can face each other. They can go away. I feel like going away is weird, so let's put them facing each other. Oh, I'm going to put some glue down here, too. So a little bit of dimensional and then our glue. And then let me see where I want to put this hello down here. You know what? Maybe we'll put it up here. So I'm going to get this little guy here. So cute. Put a little glue on this guy's tail also. Maybe I should put this guy higher and this guy lower, because now the hello is going to be like right above his head. If I put it there. Maybe we put it down here. Okay, there we go. If I had thought about it, I would have brought this guy up here, so this is down here and then the hello's here, right? So anyhow, okay, let's put that there. Hold that down, hold this down, and then our hello. I'm just going to glue this down here and hold on to it just right off the side. Obviously, I'm going to straighten that out and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, there's our sweet card again. Very springy, or just any time of the year. Use them however you like. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links as appropriate in the description box, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.